again, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaylin, and today we are going to be doing something slightly different. I have Liam here.
Ah!
Jesus Christ. And it is a Sunday, and while I do need to get some studying done, we also wanted to have some fun and make boba, and I'm going to try to convince Liam to let me cut his hair, but...
You want to record that happening?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
He's objecting, but I wanted to film something slightly different than my normal content, something slightly less academic and a little bit more goofy and fun, especially since Liam's here. So super nice casual vlog for you all. There will be study clips, don't worry, but now we're gonna go downstairs, make some food, and attempt to make boba. Done messed up because I thought that I was supposed to combine the water and the boba, but I think I meant to boil the water first, so we're gonna start over.
So the directions on this are kind of misleading. It just says use 3 cups of water for every 1 cup of bunk balls, boil for 30 minutes.
But I bought the boba book, so there are instructions in here, so we're gonna start over.
Welcome to my cooking show. This is my assistant.
Alright, so now they have been sitting in the
black sludge.
And now we're going to go ahead. We gotta make every boba count. Gotta make every boba count. Okay, now we have drained the boba, and we are going to put in our simple syrup. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use.
All of it?
Well, you want to save some for the drinks, right? So Liam got a haircut. And he's trying the boba. So, what's the verdict?
It's pretty good.
Alright, so now that we're done experimenting making boba and cutting Liam's hair, now it's time to actually study. So I am going to be studying for the LSAT, but I also have a ton of work that I need to do on my dissertation because I have a call with my advisor from Oxford tomorrow morning. So I need to make sure that I have some substantive information to share with her. But that all being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, get everything planned for today, and hopefully have a nice productive Sunday. Alright, so I'm working on studying for the LSAT, and
God, my hair looks so good.
So I'm studying for the LSAT, and I have a practice question up, and so I'm making Liam try it. We're working on, well, I'm working on sufficient and necessary conditional statements, which is what I've been working on for a little while, and I have this practice question, and I'm just curious if he can figure it out. So I will let you guys know the result in just a second. Alright, so we got the answer to that question, and it was really tricky. And so now we're going to do a second question because Liam is trying to figure it out and he's getting a little competitive.
She beat me.
But I also been studying the LSAT for a while, so. The logical reasoning actual diagrams are tricky. So here we go for round number 2. All right.
I lost. I'm worthless.
I mean, to be fair, the second question that we looked at was the type of questions that I got wrong pretty much always last time I took the LSAT, so.
I can't ever argue. She's now the boss.
I mean, I've always been the boss. But now my sister's in here. Now we're trying to figure out dinner, and then I think we're gonna like hang out and watch a movie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super random vlog. It was a little bit different than my normal content, and I hope you guys enjoyed because I wanted to do something slightly more casual and fun. So if you guys enjoyed and you guys liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye,
We started with hello on a summer afternoon. I lost myself and everybody else when I found you.